back, play my song in this bitch. Vibing like I'm alone in this bitch. Tip for tat, I got your back. Was I wrong for that shit? Tell me, is we too grown for that shit? I wanna lock it.
Oh. Hello beautiful gems, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's here Tdibehr Gemz, and I'm back here with another video. And today's video is going to be basically me doing my moisturizer routine for my curly hair after a nice curly hair wash. I don't really have like a strict routine. Check out my everything curly hair playlist where I post everything curly and about my hair, including how to wash and how to moisturize, everything you need to know about natural hair, of course. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys simply how I moisturize my hair after I wash it. It's not complicated. This video might be just as short, but it's basically going to demonstrate what products I use and how I put it in my hair, as far as what comes first, what comes second, and so forth. The products that I'm going to be using today, of course, because I love to still slay my edges after a wash. I don't like to have my hair just like how y'all see it now. This is probably the only times that y'all gonna see me without no edges. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be using some gel because I do want to slay my edges down, period. We're gonna be using some Blue Magic. I am going to tell you guys what exactly is in this Blue Magic container because it's not only Blue Magic in just a moment. I'm also going to be using my Cream in Nature Butter Blend. It also has flaxseed in it. There's no minerals, silicones, petroleum, paraffin, or drying alcohol. This basically kind of like helps your curls like stretch out, which is needed because my hair, she shrinks a lot. She's hanging right here because she's a little bit damp. But when she starts to dry, she's gonna be like out and doing whatever she wants, like she paid rent on my head. So we're not gonna have that. I'm also gonna have my edge brush, which comes with a comb, but sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. We're also gonna be using my paddle brush for detangling. Of course, I love her, besides the fact that she's pink, but she actually works on my hair very well. I'm also going to be using my headband just to style and be cute at the end. Then I have like my oil. I'm gonna go find that and I'm gonna be right back. Here is my Amla. I started to use this just last month, so I'm just waiting to see what the results is gonna be with her just yet, and then I probably might make a full review about her. I haven't been using her for a long time, so I can't really tell you how much, but she does smell very strong. So if you guys are sensitive with your nose like me, it's like some days I can tolerate, some days I can't. Another product that I'm also gonna be using is my Cantu leave-in conditioner cream. This also has a whole bunch of stuff in here, which I'm gonna be narrowing down once I start narrowing down these two. I'm gonna narrow down these two together. And that's basically all the products that I'm gonna be using. Oh wait, and of course this little brush to just sleek my hair down, okay, because she gets frizzy. Now the products that's in here, I do have coconut oil in here, and I do have a little bit of her in here. I do have argan oil and castor oil in here. This, I have moringa oil, castor oil, coconut oil, Amla. I eventually added her to the mix of a lot of my hair products. I also have argan oil, if I did not say that already. I also have vitamin E oil as well, okay? The first step, what I'm going to do is put my leave-in conditioner first. Then I'm gonna go ahead and follow up with my stretch cream. This, I'm probably gonna put these at my roots and probably finishing touches after I finish applying every single thing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and seal everything with my Blue Magic. So let's get started. So I'm gonna divide my hair into half. I'm just going to put her in a little ponytail like so. And then we're just gonna work with one side at a time. So first thing first, I just go ahead and I just detangle her. She's already pretty much detangled since I did wash my hair. And I do brush my hair a lot in the shower. Gonna go ahead and go with my curling cream. A nice good handful of that. We're just going to apply it throughout my hair. Make sure every strand is coated. If she doesn't sound like macaroni in a pot, you're not doing it right. Go ahead and run my brush through it. Basically gonna do this every single time I put product in my hair. She's nice and coated. Then we're gonna go ahead and put in my stretch cream. Just about that much, because I don't want heavy products in my hair too much. So just enough to just run my fingers through her. She does define my curls pretty well, so I'm not mad at that. It doesn't smell too good. Like, it smells like flaxseed. I don't know if you guys know what flaxseed smells like, but it basically smells like that. Okay, simple. It's really simple. It's really that easy, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and go with the Amla. Just a little bit of her, just about that much. And I'm just gonna focus this on my scalp for the most part, and then just apply the rest. Whatever remains is whatever goes on the rest of the hair, to be honest. Give that a little rub, because your scalp is like the main important thing, because you need to feed your scalp, okay? So now I'm just gonna start putting the grease, and I'm going to like kind of like rub it on my fingers like this, and kind of like section off my hair with my pinky and just go into the roots like this. I don't really want to put this throughout my hair because it's greasy. So I don't really want my hair to be too greasy because I already have other products that's doing what I need it to do. So I just need the grease to focus on the scalp of my hair. That's where your hair grows. And you basically, what you're doing is feeding it. You're just feeding it, rubbing it in. I don't have no special way to do this, to be honest. This is just what I do. This is literally as realistic as it can get. And this is all I do. Just go ahead and rub it in. Sometimes I tilt my head upside down just to get the blood flow to my head while I do this, but like I said, it's gonna get realistic as possible. Sometimes we don't got time to do all that. So then we're gonna go ahead and brush this through one last time. Once this is done, I'm gonna let my hair dry, but in the meantime, I'm just going to 2-strand twist it going backwards. That's my alarm. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but just to get the hair out the way, get that moisture locked in, baby. It's very important for your hair to dry. You don't wanna like put a style in your hair that is basically gonna lock in too much moisture. Yep, that's just one side. And then I'm just basically gonna repeat the same thing on this side and I'll be back. So I basically went ahead and moisturized the other side, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and twist her. My camera is literally on 4%, so we're just gonna go ahead and say our outro and just knock it out, you know? But that is basically how I moisturize my hair after a wash. Super hydrating, definitely curl defining, and she does stay like this for quite some time before I have to actually go back in with some products. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Hopefully you guys learned something. Let me know what products that you guys use on your hair in the comments down below, and then yeah, like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out my everything curly hair playlist. Everything about my hair will be in that playlist, specifically about my hair tutorials down to natural hairstyles. So everything will be included. Let me know what if you guys want to see my next videos, what type of hairstyles you want to see. Make sure you guys send it to me on IG of like hair inspos or hair tutorials that you want to learn how to do, and then I'll go ahead and make a video based on that, okay? Last but not least, now that we got the outro out the way, I need to wash my hands because my hands just feels bleh. So I'm gonna wash my hands and do my edges, and that's basically gonna call it a night. Take off my glasses. Hold on, you know, I'll be back because I don't trust it. It's on 2%. Let me do my edges, come back with the final look. If y'all ever want an edge tutorial, this is basically gonna be the final look. I'm on 1%. Ta-da! Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. My Instagram will be linked right here or in the description down below for easier clicks, because we don't really like to type in names. I know my name is pretty hard to spell sometimes or pronounce, so just click the link in the description box. Everything you'll see or find is going to be there. Moisturized hair all 2026. Let's go. Okay, bye.